Hi, what's up everybody? Welcome to Ninja's Masterpiece YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make strawberry chestnut smoothie. Ingredients we need are 8 strawberries, 3 tablespoons of grated coconut, a banana, 5 tablespoons of pistachio ice cream, and a grated chestnut, and a bit of saffron water. Look, it's quite easy to prepare saffron water. What you need to do is to put a bit of saffron powder in hot water for a few minutes. Okay, now put all ingredients in a blender. It tastes amazing. Give it a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.